This is now day 4. This is breakfast. As you can see here, we got some new things today. We got some pancakes, we got a croissant, we got that bacon again that they have every other day. Eggs Benedict, first time trying this out. And yeah, time to dig into breakfast. I'm pretty excited today because we're gonna do the boat right after this. So you guys will see that roller coaster, first roller coaster or only roller coaster at sea. So let's go ahead and dive in. As I go off, they don't let you record while you're on it, so I can't hold the camera while I'm on it, but you can see kind of what it's like and the roller coaster that you're on. It's pretty cool, so I'm excited to get on. It does cost $15 a person, so this is not something that's free, so you're gonna have to pay $15, but hey. So like I said, this is a ton of fun and I would definitely recommend everyone do it. New stuffed animal of the day. Here's an elephant. Look at him. This is the main pool. We got the Red Frog bar sitting right here. This is the main pool that people are usually in that we're about to go into. Having a good time on our sea day. Chilling out here in the pool. Alright guys, here's the water works area here in the back. You can see you got the slides here. They have 3 different slides, which is really cool. They got the orange one, which is really cool, which is a drop slide where they have like that thing at the bottom where you stand out and then 3, 2, 1, go. Where you drop from the top, which is pretty cool. Then they also have the yellow and the blue one that are, you got the blue one on the mat, and then the yellow one is one that you go on your body, which is pretty cool. So 3 different slides, and they're all really good. They're not like kid slides or anything. They're all really fun. And the rides usually aren't too bad, so it's not too bad here. So a lot of fun. Unfortunately, I can't bring you on these slides because they don't want me to hold anything, so I at least wanted to show you what they look like. And the lines have been pretty short all day too, which is pretty cool that the lines have been that short. And I got this whole area here with the mats and everything, and it's right next to the boat coaster you guys saw me just do. You see that guy just went through a little blue mat. So cool that they have, I love water parks and water slides and stuff, as you guys know, so it's cool that these are on the boat. And here on the back of the boat here, right behind the waterworks, you also got mini golf right here. So you got mini golf right here on the back that they have. A bunch of different holes for everyone to have fun with. Obviously free to play. And yeah, they're all here in the back. Alright guys, here we are at Big Chicken. Really popular lunch spot here. You can see all the different things you can get. You got your crispy chicken sandwiches, you got your fries, you choose dark or white meat, chicken strips there, and they got breakfast as well from 7 a.m. to 3 that you can get right there. So this is Big Chicken right here. Go ahead and try this out. This is the first thing I got from there. This is the Aristotle sandwich. It's a chicken sandwich with fries. It's got bacon on it. It's got onions on it. It's got barbecue sauce on it. See how this tastes. Just finished having that Big Chicken that you guys saw. You guys saw it in the video, but that was some real white chicken. That was really good. You can tell how well the chicken was made. Really juicy, really well made. I mean, there's not much else to say. You got the chicken finger option, or you got the chicken sandwich option, and you got a bunch of toppings and potato salad there on the salad bar if you want. Really good. They did a good job.
It's called the catwalk. We have Daniel, your fun squad. He's gonna show you the sass, the sexiness. He's gonna show you how to do the best catwalk out there. In 3, 2, 1, give it to me, baby. Hey! You gotta run! Hey! Get it, come on! Hey! Keep it going, come on! Give him that dance move, come on! So that's exactly what I'm looking for. Now what that means is I need you to be unique. I need you to be creative. I need you to be the legend. Contestant number 1, we are trying this again. In 3, 2, 1, go. You gotta work, come on, brother. Hey! That's right! Take my nose to contestant number 1. Here it is, your time to shine. In 3, 2, 1, give it to me. Oh yes, come on. Oh, come on. Oh my God! Stop. What is wrong with you? Give it up for this contestant right here. Good job. Here we go. Your time to shine, my friend. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, you better work, baby. Oh my God! Stop, please!
I think that might be a one. Yeah, I don't know about that. These shows are always awesome to go to. They're so much fun and they're hilarious. Obviously, it's very dependent on who's on the cruise with you, but every time I've went, the audience really gets into this, and they definitely have a great time with it, and we enjoy watching them. We're back at the street eats that I was talking to you guys about the last couple of days. This is what we have on the menu today for a time fries. We got the queso quattro fries there with 4 types of cheese, roasted peppers, and hot gravy that you see over there. Then moving on over here, we got the pork dumpling and chicken steak, grilled chicken, chili, lemongrass, fried rice, and peanut sauce. So that sounds really interesting as well. We're gonna try both of those and see how they are. Like I said, these things change every day. This is street eats at 3 different areas, and every day changes something different. So here are the 2 ones I just got. I got the fries that you just saw, the 4 cheese, and then we got this chicken fried rice concoction that they have going on right here. Tonight for dinner, we're going to the Italian restaurant. This is the other specialty restaurant on board that you get to go to the first time for free. Otherwise, $8 per person after that, which is still incredibly cheap, but it's cool that we got to go to this for the first time for free. And this is where we're going. Here's the menu. We got a lunch menu and a dinner menu, which is obviously what we're here for dinner. So a lot of good options here. We're gonna be trying a few different ones. See how it is once we get in there. But really cool entrance. Really cool vibe in here. As you guys can see, the decoration and how it all works. Here's our table right here, 837. Thank you. Got some wine here at the table. That's a cool vibe of the place. I like the decoration in here. Here's the bread that they come out with at the Italian restaurant. It's warm bread, which is great. So here are their appetizers that I got. These are the rice balls, as you can see right there, with the nice sauce and cheese on top. And this is the meatball, little cheese on top there. And this is the capris. So, as usual, 3 appetizers. I already ate 2 of those. Those things are amazing. It's like rice balls with cheese. So good.
Touching reaching out, touching me, touching you, singing my sweet Caroline. Good times never seem so good.
This is the chicken parm that we have right here. It's a really nice big piece of chicken parm. Looks really good. And then these penne pomodoro that I got as a side here. So I have to dig in. This is the dessert. We got some ice cream here at the top with some sort of apple thing, but it looks really good. We'll see how it tastes. Love and marriage is one of my favorite things to see on a cruise ship. Definitely don't miss this if you can. And they actually had 2 of these on this boat, which is awesome. But definitely don't miss the Love and Marriage game show.
And the marriage go together like a horse and carriage. This I tell you, brother, you can't have one without the other.
That concludes our day 4 at a day at sea. I'm excited for tomorrow where we go to Amber Cove, so stay tuned.